Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Now this video was solely going to be about discussing the book The Richest Man in Babylon, but as I went about preparing for the video, it morphed into something else. Now first I'll talk about the book, but then I want to share some thoughts on some other works that can actually show you a very different dimension to financial success. George S. Clason's book The Richest Man in Babylon provides financial advice through a collection of parables set some 4000 years ago in ancient Babylon. Now the author has provided timeless lessons through the views of a rich man named Urquhart. Now Babylon was the wealthiest city in the ancient world and Urquhart was the richest man living in Babylon. See, the book is still in print after it was published originally almost a century ago. Now here's a quick snapshot and summary of the simple and effective financial principles from a portion of the book titled 7 Cures for a Lean Purse. Urquhart's first advice is to use your skill sets to start building wealth by saving 10% of your income. Urquhart then bewares us about knowing the difference between necessities and wasteful expenditures. Next, he advises to invest your savings to benefit from compound interest. Fourth, avoid get-rich-quick schemes. Next, own a home and don't rent. Sixth, build a future stream of income. And lastly, keep learning new skills and knowledge to become a better investor and to earn more money. Now this is all fine and useful, but this is very general and age-old advice. See, the problems with books like this one and others like Think and Grow Rich, Rich Dad Poor Dad, The Total Money Makeover is that they're all part of a dream-killing dogma as said by M.J. DeMarco. Now I want to recommend two other books that are very different in their approaches. It all depends on what you consider as being rich. What if money is not how you define being rich? That's where financial minimalism comes in. So you spend on stuff that you love the most, like a Starbucks Frappuccino, but hold out on things that you don't deem worthwhile. So with such a mindset in place and for investment advices updated for the 2020s, read I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. Now you've read their books, but have you ever pondered how the popular financial gurus and the young millionaires and billionaires in the different industries actually became rich? It surely didn't happen using the usual 9 to 5 route, did it? Now M.J. DeMarco has brilliantly laid out the tips that you can use to become rich fast and build a passive income stream for life in his book The Millionaire Fast Lane. Now he has a brutally honest approach and he's transparent about it all. Now if there's one tip that I can give you from that book, it's this. To make millions, you have to affect millions. You have to operate at scale. Think about this statement. Now I will surely cover these two books and others in depth in future videos. So make sure to hit the subscribe button to watch the videos as soon as they release. Now if you've watched till the end and found this video useful, do give a thumbs up and subscribe to help support the channel for more such content in the near future. Alright, I'll catch you in the next one. See you!